Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 241 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, our senior trader Matt discusses a hybrid model which looks to take advantage of characteristics of the FX markets. Momentum and mean reversion have an economic rationale, and Matt shows you how to take advantage of both. It looks like we'll be announcing our third and final speaker for this year's Algo conference next week. So stay tuned to find out who'll be joining Nick Raj and Johan Christian Lotter on stage at a Sofitel in November. They may just have headed up a firm that did over $7 billion in daily turnover. So a good chance that they'll be able to show you a few tricks of the trade. Contact us now to book your ticket. And finally, a little early announcement for fans of Trading Talk that watch these weekly introductions. We've now created templates for each Trading Talk episode. So as soon as the episode's released, you can download and run the model. Technically, there's no building required, although I would definitely encourage you to keep on building them so you get a deeper understanding of the model and really improve your building. We'll be releasing the templates for all Trading Talk clients soon, but if you'd like early access, give me a call on 0390185438 or email me on the email shown and I'll see what I can do about giving you early access. Really hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.